Feeling overwhelmed by the crypto world? The world of cryptocurrency is a confusing place, and it's hard to know where to start if you want to invest. This ebook is for you. It offers clear, step-by-step advice on how to make money trading and investing in digital currencies, regardless of market sentiment. You will learn how to choose the right cryptocurrency for different situations and maximize your wallet. With this guide, you'll be able to confidently navigate the new digital finance landscape. Stop feeling lost in the crypto world and start making money today with this helpful guide. Gain the knowledge you need to invest in digital currencies with confidence and start seeing real returns on your investment. You'll find out how to navigate the new digital finance landscape and choose the right cryptocurrency for different situations with the help of real-world examples that show you how to maximize your cryptocurrency wallet. Download the Insider Tips for Success in Crypto Investing ebook now